Welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you combat feelings of loneliness. Through deep relaxation and affirmations, we will focus on reconnecting you with a sense of belonging, inner strength, and the recognition that you are never truly alone. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. With each breath, allow your body to relax and your mind to soften. Let this be a space of peace and healing. Now, bring your attention inward. Notice the rhythm of your breath. Feel the steady rise and fall of your chest. As you focus on your breath, remind yourself that with each inhale, you are nourishing your body and mind, and with each exhale, you are releasing any heavy emotions that may be weighing you down. Shift your awareness to your heart center, that deep, sacred place within you. Imagine a warm, gentle light radiating from your heart. This light is your own inner love and wisdom, a source of connection that is always available to you. Allow this light to grow, expanding with each breath, filling you with a sense of safety and comfort. As this light fills your being, we will introduce affirmations to shift your mindset and open your heart to new possibilities. You can repeat these silently or listen and absorb their meaning. I am worthy of love and connection. Feel the truth of this affirmation. You are deserving of meaningful relationships and connection, both with others and yourself. I am enough as I am. Know that you are complete and whole just as you are. Loneliness does not define your worth. I open my heart to the love and support around me. Picture the invisible threads of connection that bind you to the world. You are never truly alone, even if it may feel that way. I trust that I am guided and supported on my journey. Whether through people, experiences, or your own inner strength, trust that you have support around you. I give myself the love I deserve. Understand that the most important relationship is the one you have with yourself. Cultivate self-compassion, for it is the foundation of all other connections. I am worthy of love and connection. I am enough as I am. I open my heart to the love and support around me. I trust that I am guided and supported on my journey. I give myself the love I deserve. Next, visualize yourself standing in a beautiful, open field beneath a wide, clear sky. As you stand there, feel a gentle breeze on your skin, reminding you of the interconnectedness of all things. Picture yourself surrounded by an invisible web of energy that connects you to the earth, to other people, and to the universe itself. Now, imagine someone who loves you, whether a friend, family member, or even a beloved pet. Visualize them standing beside you, offering their warmth and companionship. If you can't think of a specific person, picture a compassionate figure who embodies unconditional love and support. Feel their presence beside you, knowing that love and connection are always within your reach. Let's take a moment to address any feelings of isolation or separation you may be carrying. Picture these feelings as small, dark clouds in your mind. With each exhale, visualize these clouds drifting away, releasing their grip on you. Watch them dissolve into the air, leaving behind a clear, open sky. With every breath, you are replacing those clouds with light and space. The weight of loneliness lifts, leaving room for connection, self-compassion, and hope. Let's now anchor these feelings of connection and belonging with a few final affirmations. Repeat these silently, or simply allow them to settle into your heart. I am connected to the world around me. I am surrounded by love and support, both seen and unseen. I trust that meaningful connections are coming into my life. I love and accept myself fully, just as I am. Let these affirmations become part of your internal dialogue, replacing any limiting beliefs about loneliness. I am connected to the world around me. I am surrounded by love and support, both seen and unseen. I trust that meaningful connections are coming into my life. I love and accept myself fully, just as I am. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the sense of calm and comfort within you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, reconnecting with your physical body. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the present moment. Carry the sense of connection and love with you throughout your day. Remember, you are never truly alone. There is always love and support around you and within you. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Know that feelings of loneliness are temporary, and by cultivating self-love and reaching out to others, you can build a deeper sense of connection and belonging. Trust in your ability to overcome loneliness and continue to nurture your relationship with yourself. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices.